Kiama kia antu baria bethe bena marua thende Meru County ni kithira gikirigurio muthenya uyu na arua amana sakwire komba kuthe kibatetheria kwithira bagika muthitho jwao amwe kinya bakijukia mikobo kiri kiatho kiria giutongeretwe ni ngavana wa Meru Kirito Murungi Anthony bombere kuthira bakiuria antu baria bomba kuthira bakiromba ton kuma nthiguru cia ome bombe kuthira kinya bongo bagito ndene Meru na gutigira Meru ni kuthira
sako tukeya kuthurana bani tari barabara itarira tabo gwanda boture anto benu watokyo bara kwendele na ngweneo na tochiomie na ara kwanga wewe na kabeza kara ku ko ya keza ko ogori nyama kare na wende togwe ka joto ndonere wa kaka nimpaka tuiga to tadani areko na no daro e molemavu ne tonto molemavu no ina toana ono mangoro tengwe na bara jogo anto babre ta au anko boruma no wedere we molemavu mauru lakini njongera we sawa.
The other thing, kwe vioski berea town. Daro mbabatwe na kameti ya trade. Ito vae opportunity ina ekedro kioski mwana maputano this modern bios virabi ya kia municipality. The other one in area town. Bae we inaka moe bombe kuitira biashara area ikenda bona opportunities. Kono to kameti area. We cannot just do for ourselves. Kanaba ubange ibo opportunity na through the committee na trade department, at least we can hear this.
Hapa tunaomba sisi tukiwa wale watu tuko able differently, ile budget unapeana kwa ward ikiwa ni 20 million tuongezee yetu kidogo iwe 3 million hapo, wao wanajua kama budget hiyo governor ameongezea ni ya walemavu at the world level. Hatutaki iende differently so that it can be monitored through your office. Tuongezeka kitu kidogo tusiwe tunaomba. The other one is about wale walemavu wanaletwa hapa na gari. Chairman, leo tutaona hao kama ni wetu au ni wa wengine. Kama ni wetu tufanyiwe rehabilitation center, tuwe na watu wetu, tuwafanyie trainings wawe na skills differently.
Ogala chairman wanore na ke department yetu kwa mantoja begas na twa wange baita unyeji na ndate ko to chemu kono para mona ta kana kuro para peda we na revenu ko tafadhali washirikiana na chairman na kamati yetu ya utonalwa tumeshua antwalo tuletera ndoni town bateo uweza na mantoja uweza na yo okay ndio amboni.
That we know that our SACCO is doing very well. We've been meeting with the SACCO team, the committee, the leadership, and also I understand there is a task force that had been formed, but now we have a committee in place that has been mandated with all the work of PWDs. So if you need anything, please communicate with them.
Kwa gandoni akagira lemavu ndoni agatinda kuga nongero ya tau huyo ashikwe. I don't want to see any beggars in Meru town. I don't want to see any beggars in our towns. Oburu ukolemo buru na ikiro makarina tutajua vile tutafanya na yeye. Sio? Kadhani mtu bakulita nombwe iliku na hata kwenda kulitangwe alenda gwita korombaga atafungwa akaligayirio yotheri na ala tuntu.
Nkiripotera Meru TV kuma Meru ndetoka imenyi omwirigi.